My name is Brent Desaint. I'm from Wilmington, Vermont. I decided to attend because I hadn't heard of ceramic coatings until I took the 3-day Craftsman course last year. So I did a lot of research and was very excited to learn about the new technology, and it seems to be the best. It's going to add another level for my customers, you know. I'm educating everybody there because nobody's ever heard of ceramic coating as far as paint is concerned. I learned a lot about the technology behind the ceramic coating and the way to apply it. It's a lot easier than I thought it was. There's definitely some finessing that needs to be done, and you got to pay special attention, but man, I feel confident about doing it now.